Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here with an FJM security, formerly MUR-LOCK. They make great locks, padlocks, disc detainers, and tubulars. So this one here, for the purpose of the demonstration, I titled the video to unbricking or resetting your tubular lock, meaning that simple way to do it without having to re-pick it back. So gotta put that on the background here. There's your key. See, notice the little nub on the end there. Now you notice that this will not work in the lock because you have to pick it back. Here's the second key. It typically comes with the lock. And you can see that I very easily filed that nub off. So this means this key will go in now in any position. So just carefully insert it. And there you go. You've unbricked it without having to pick it again. I could put it in this way, I can put it in any position. But the other key will not work. So when you're practicing, you can get it done quicker with that second key. Even if you only have one key, if you shave the nub off, it doesn't matter. Thought I'd share that with you guys. Patience, practice, perseverance on this FJM 8-pin disc lock, disc lock, formerly the MUR-LOCK company. Thanks for watching, guys.